interested in what you do. So with me, trying to find, where people are taking money from a certain database and kind of sliding into another database and thinking that they can get away with the job. I mean, to me, it's fun because I get to not put those people behind bars because most of the time they don't go to jail, but just to be able to say, we got you and we know where exactly you're hiding stuff is something that's very interesting to me. You have a question? No. So it's more, yes.
As an intern, how many hours on average do you work?
For internships, it kind of varies. I was lucky enough to do a 40-hour week, so you get paid 40 hours. You just have to do the work. And the good thing about interning with a Big Four is there's so many things that you can do that are outside of work that you still get paid for. Cubs games, there was a Cubs game like every week, dinners, stuff like that. So you get paid for it, and you're just enjoying yourself and getting to meet as many people as you want or as you can during that little short summer period. So it's pretty good. Pretty good life.
What was the what you said it was Inroads?
Inroads, INROADS.org. Yeah, they should have. They partner with all these big accounting firms or other business firms. Like for instance, like I mentioned, risk management with Marsh. I had no idea what risk management was, but it's something that now I know that's something that I really don't want to do. So it kind of gives me that experience. Things like that. Do you have a question back there? No. Yes.
Tell us about your professional goals.
Well, my professional goals. I mean, I would really like to go back and get an MBA. And actually, now that I have that experience, I can enjoy that MBA a lot more because I can go ahead and give input to my classmates and things of that nature. I mean, I see myself as a manager, hopefully one of the cool managers, not the all right, get my stuff done now managers. Yes. Well, that's only if I'm going into accounting. So I'm not going into accounting. I just need to get certified, which is right now I'm studying for an exam to get certified in computer forensics. So yeah, that's about it. Is that it? As far as salary is concerned, nowadays going into as an entry-level accountant, you can make anywhere between $55,000 to $60,000 a year, which is not bad coming straight out of college. The further you go up, the more money you get. Partners right now, they're making at least $250 grand a year, which is ridiculous, but it depends on how much you sell and how much you can get your people to work for you, which is always good. It's crazy, once you guys go into public accounting, you'll see the rates that companies pay for you. It's ridiculous. As an associate, I think we're getting billed out at, $300, $350 an hour to work for this company. So it's very lucrative career for partners. You have to pay your dues, of course, but you will get benefits. So, and it looks like my time's up. So I'll be taking questions later. I'll be in the back if you guys want to stop by. I have business cards and stuff like that, so you can contact me. So thanks very much for your time.
Okay, last and certainly not least, we wanted to have a student representative here as well. And she's also Latino. And she has followed actually the academic path that many of you have. 2 years of community college, 2 more years here at TSU, completed the bachelor's degree, now pursuing the master's degree. And so with that, I want to bring on board someone who can give you the current student perspective of what it's like to pursue this ambitious goal of working at upper levels of management and accounting. Please welcome Rosa de la Paz.
Okay, yeah, I'm going to be doing the graduate student perspective. I'm also the campus representative for Association of Latin Professionals in Finance and Accounting. Next slide. There you go. So, like Joe said, I am a student in the master's program here. I also graduated with my bachelor's from GSU, and I graduated from my associate's degree from the College of Innovation. My background, I did intern at Jackson Hewitt for 2 tax seasons while I was in my undergrad here at JSU. And I also worked for Nolan Associates for a whole year while I was doing my associate's degree. I worked at Brunswick Corporation as an account operation analyst, and I also worked at Universal Metals for 4 years as general accounting operations. And I've been in the military, and I'm still currently in the military now. My associations with professional organizations, as you can see, Alpha is under the AICPA, the MIA, and IIA, and the ACFE. So I spell them all out so you guys know what they are. Most of you, pretty sure, are aware of these different organizations. So my background with Alpha, I actually was a recipient, a scholarship recipient for 2008. And this was my first time actually knowing anything about Alpha. I had never heard of Alpha before this, and I was actually very surprised when I got there because there was so much knowledge that is just out there, and you have so many people you can ask questions, and they're so willing to help you answer any of those questions that you have. So I came back with a couple personal goals that I was going to go ahead and make sure that I share that knowledge with my fellow students here at GSU. And because we don't have a big accounting department, I thought that this would be a good idea to actually start off with the people that we do have, and hopefully maybe we can even have our own student chapter. So this is Alpha's commitment to their students, is to provide many programs that would benefit to aspiring Latino students. I also want to make sure that I mention it is not only to Latino students. Alpha is open to any race, as long as you share the same values and the visions that they have, you're more than welcome to be a part of Alpha. And also we see the benefits